Ibi byagarutswe n'umuvugizi w'ibiro bya Perezida Stephanie Nyumbayire aho yagarutse ku mpamvu nyamukuru z'uruzinduko rwa Perezida wa Repubulika y'u Rwanda Paul Kagame muri Repubulika ya Kongo zari ziyobowe no gukomeza umubano w'ibihugu byombi ndetse n'ubufatanye mu byiciro bitandukanye.
President Kagame began his 3-day state visit to the Republic of Congo in the city of Brazzaville, where he addressed parliamentarians. He spoke to the parliamentarians about the progress
Perezida Kagame yatangiye uruzinduko rw'iminsi3 muri Repubulika ya Kongo mu mujyi wa Brazzaville. Yabwiye abagize inteko ishinga amategeko imitwe yombi iki gihugu ku iterambere Afurika yagiye igeraho mu binyacumi by'imyaka ishize, ariko icy'ingenzi ari ibikorwa, kandi yibutsa ko Abanyafurika bazaho ibisubizo by'ibibazo byabo biri, ariko hanakenewe igihe kinini cyo gufata ingamba kugira ngo twihaze. Hakorwa ibyiza bikurwa mu magambo bikajya mu bikorwa. Intego nyamukuru y'uruzinduko rwa Perezida Kagame kwari ugukomeza umubano w'ibihugu byombi, aho byakozwe hagasinywa amasezerano y'ubufatanye mu ngeri zitandukanye zirimo ibijyanye n'ubukungu ndetse no guteza imbere ubumenyi n'ikoranabuhanga bigafasha abaturage b'ibihugu byombi.
The signing of these agreements is a sign that South-South cooperation can be as successful as any other cooperation and can be the key to unlocking prosperity for the people of Africa.
Yatangaje kandi ko ibiganiro by'aba bakuru b'ibihugu byombi bitibanze ku bihugu byabo gusa, ahubwo banaganire ku iterambere rya Afurika muri rusange nuko hashakirwa ibisubizo bimwe mu bibazo by'ingutu uyu mugabane wa Afurika ugihura nabyo.
President Kagame and President Sassou Nguesso held extensive tete-a-tete discussions where they exchanged their views on the challenges that continue to plague the African continent. They discussed the need to work together amongst African nations to come up with concrete and real proposals to address issues such as the lack of infrastructure in many African countries, the lack of electricity, the security threats that
Perezida Kagame na mugenzi we Sassou Nguesso bagiranye ibiganiro bombi, kandi aho barebeye hamwe zimwe mu mbogamizi umugabane wa Afurika ugihura nazo, aho baganiriye ku buryo habaho ubufatanye hagati y'ibihugu bya Afurika kugira ngo habeho uburyo bwo gushakira umuti bimwe mu bibazo bimwe mu bihugu ku mugabane wa Afurika bigihura nabyo, birimo kutagira ibikorwa remezo bihagije, kutagira amashanyarazi, ibibazo mu mutekano, aho ibihugu bya Afurika bikeneye gukorana hagati yabyo mu bucuruzi hashingiwe ku isoko rihuriweho. Perezida Kagame yasoreje uruzinduko rw'iminsi3 muri Repubulika ya Kongo mu mujyi wa Oyo, aho Perezida Sassou Nguesso yavukiye. Amwereka inzu ndangamurage ibitse ibirango by'umuco wa Oyo, aho yamweretse n'iterambere uyu mujyi umaze kugeraho.
To a very significant number of farms that have been established in the city.
Twabibutsa ko nyuma yo gusoza uru ruzinduko muri Repubulika ya Kongo biteganijwe ko umukuru w'igihugu Paul Kagame ategerejwe mu ruzinduko rw'akazi mu gihugu cya Jamaica muri Amerika y'Amajyepfo. Ibarushimwe biwo iki Keve Christian, BTN TV i Kigali.